How do I transfer saved games and progress to a different Xbox account?
Hello, gamers! Today we're going to discuss a topic that's crucial for all Xbox players: how to transfer saved games and progress to a different Xbox account. This guide is for anyone looking to shift their progress, accomplishments, and gaming milestones from one account to another. Let's dive right in.
Can you directly transfer game saves to another Xbox account?
Here's the first thing to know. You can't directly transfer Xbox game saves from one account to another. Game saves are tied to the Xbox account that they were created on. This security feature is designed to prevent people from sharing game progress, achievements, and other digital content. However, don't fret. There's a workaround using the Xbox's Home Xbox feature, which we'll explain next.
What is the Home Xbox feature?
The Home Xbox feature is the key here. This feature allows any account signed in on your designated Home Xbox to access your games and some of your Xbox Gold benefits, including game saves. This is how we're going to make the transfer.
How to set up a new Home Xbox?
Step 1. Sign in with the account currently holding the game saves on the Xbox console you want to make your Home Xbox. Step 2. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, and then select Profile and System > Settings, General Personalization, My Home Xbox. Step 3. Select Make this my Home Xbox. This will set the console as your Home Xbox, allowing all accounts on that Xbox to access the games and saved progress of your account. Note: you can change your Home Xbox up to 5 times during a 1-year period.
How to access saved games on the new account?
Now that your Home Xbox is set, sign out of your old account and then sign in with your new account on the same console. You'll find that you can now access the games and saved progress of the old account. Remember, this isn't an actual transfer of game saves, it's more of a share. The original game saves are still tied to the old account. Any new progress you make in the games while signed in with your new account will be saved to the new account. And that wraps up our guide on how to transfer your Xbox game saves to another account. We hope you found it helpful. Enjoy gaming with your new account, and remember to keep making epic saves.